Hey guys, let's try and snip part of your screen today, shall we? All right, so hopefully you have a snipping tool on your desktop. So if you go to your search option down, and mine's on my left corner, and I click on that, I can type in and search for things on my computer. So I'm going to put snip, and snipping tool is the one that is already down on my computer, my desktop app there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just on a Google screen. This was from before. So I'm going to push new. And at that point, I can highlight any part of my screen that I want to screenshot. So I just dragged and basically held down my mouse and kind of scrolled over the area that I wanted. So at this point, you can, on mine, mark up your picture and do different things to it if you wanted to do that to yours. But at this point, you can right-click, and you can save it as an image, or you can copy it and paste it into something. So hopefully you have, so I'll just copy, and I'll open up a Word document here, and then I just right-click and paste it, and there it is. The other way that you can screenshot, so let's get back to my Google here. If you push FN, so FN and print screen, and mine is PRTSC, so print screen there. So that's what my print screen is next to my space bar. It's Alt and then print screen is next. So FN, print screen. So I'm going to push those two, FN, print screen, and it should then save it in a copy mode. So at that point, let's see, we'll delete this guy. And there it is. Now I have 3 screens, so of course you're going to see all 3 of my screens, but I printed all the screens and pasted it onto a Word document. At this point, you can just right-click and save that image, save picture as well, and upload that to a Dropbox or an email. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.